Hello and welcome to Trade Talks. My name is Yogesh. The US and China are locked in an escalating trade battle. But before we learn more about its implications and current status, let us understand what is this trade war about. US President Donald Trump has complained about China's trading practices since before he took office in 2016. The US launched an investigation into Chinese trade policies in 2017. It imposed tariffs on billions of dollars worth of Chinese products last year, and Beijing retaliated in kind. After months of hostilities, both countries agreed to halt new trade tariffs in December to allow for talks. Tariffs imposed on Chinese goods in theory makes US-made products cheaper than imported ones and encourage consumers to buy American. They're also increasingly seen as a negotiation tactic in the trade war. The trade war has escalated in the past 2 weeks after US President Donald Trump accused the Chinese of sabotaging a prospective deal and hiked tariffs on $200 billion worth of Chinese imports to 25%, spurring China to retaliate with higher duties on $60 billion of US products. Making matters worse, the White House also imposed sanctions on Chinese telecoms giant Huawei earlier this week. However, it has decided to delay its decision on whether to impose steep tariffs on automobile imports for 6 months. On the other side, the Trump administration moved to cool the simmering trade war with the major trading partners on Friday, ending tariffs on metal imports from Canada and Mexico.
But before I begin, I'm pleased to announce that we've just reached an agreement with Canada and Mexico.
US, European and Asian equities slumped on Friday after the Chinese government threatened to cut off trade talks with the US, accusing the nation of using petty tricks and lacking a sincere desire to end the trade war. While the Trump administration has ratcheted up pressure on Chinese telecom equipment giant Huawei, in return to which Chinese importers cancelled a major order of US pork, which hits the agricultural community that forms part of Trump's political base. President Xi Jinping and Trump are likely to meet at the G20 summit in Osaka at the end of June. But hopes that the two leaders will be able to hash out a deal are low. I will advise investors to practice proper risk management while they trade amidst of such volatility. After all, you never know when the next trade is coming. Thank you so much for watching this video. To keep yourself updated about the latest happenings in the world of financial markets, subscribe to this channel. To learn more about the trading strategies in volatile markets, register for our weekly seminars and webinars on www.century.ae. My name is Yogesh. You have a great week ahead.